Hello cookbook friends and welcome to the Cookbook Divas YouTube channel. My name is Katie. Today we're going to look through this really cool American Girl cookbook. It's the Tea Party's cookbook. I'm trying to find the author actually and I'm unable to. I'm wondering if I can find her inside. This might just be an all-around American Girl just franchise cookbook. So this is kind of cute. This is great for kids, obviously. I know spring is going to be coming up really shortly. I look out the window because it's rainy, but it's kind of warm comparatively. So I know that spring and summer, they're perfect tea party times, and I think this is a great cookbook for that. So let's look inside. It's very cute. We have in the table of contents, I'm wondering if you guys can see this. So this is the first chapter, is Tea Time Classics. Then we go to Cakes and Cupcakes. Next is Fruity Desserts. Then we go into Savory Snacks. Oh, that's smart. Then we have Drinks and then Basics. And of course, for drinks, because this is very kid-friendly, there's a lot of more kid-oriented teas or fun just drinks that maybe aren't tea at all. And yeah, the basics. Okay, so very cute, beautiful photos, of course, because it's American Girl. We have different ways of cooking, techniques, tools you're going to need. Beautiful setups. I wonder if we'll be able to make this beautiful flour cake right here. That's glorious. All right, so we have for one of the beautiful recipes is colorful macarons. So on the left-hand side, like usual, we have all of the ingredients. And then over here on the right, we have all of the instructions. We have two it's a blurb about the recipe, but basically things to make it better or your own, or flavor profiles, things like that. So, and pairings as well. So that's really nice to have, especially for tea parties. We also have these little notifications on the side here that says test for doneness. So they're like little tips, things that might be a little helpful, especially if you're cooking with your kids. That's very nice and very cool. So we have no-bake cheesecake flour tarts, lemon tartlets with sugared flowers. Wow, those are beautiful. This would be such a treat for me. I remember when I was a kid, I think I had like a few tea parties, nothing to this extent. But I know, and actually the only thing I did have at this extent was going to the Empress in Victoria, Canada. And it was memorable. Like, I remember it to this day, and this was like so long ago. But it would be so fun to be able to do this in your own backyard, at your own house. You could do it now, even if it was snowing, and having all these beautiful treats. I know the kids would love this. Ooh, these are, I recognize these. These are dongos, hanami dongos. These are cute, so fun. Strawberries and cream cupcakes. Oh, my mouth immediately started watering. I might have to just make this because I want to. Yum. There's a mini chocolate mint cupcake. So this is the cake section. Very easy to make. These are great for, obviously everybody loves cupcakes, but they're tiny little handhelds, so you can have multiple kinds of desserts for your tea party. Pink orange tartlets. Oh, look at that. That's beautiful. I'm trying to see if this is a blood orange, and I think you kind of need a blood orange to get that gorgeous deep red coloring. It also says you could use like cara oranges, but I just don't think they're the same. We have raspberry chocolate tartlets. Yummy. What I like about this is they give you a variety of different kinds of treats you can have. So this is a beautiful fruit tart, and it's a big whole fruit tart. And then you can make little tartlets, you can make tiny cupcakes, you can make little macarons. There's all kinds of cool things that you can add to your tea party, whatever you want to do. These are super cute. These look like tiny little apple galettes. Very cool. Let's see what some of the savory bakes are. We have I found it! Garden flour sandwich cake. Whoa! This is, oh my goodness, you guys. This is a savory cake. I've never seen anything like this. So it actually has smoked salmon in it, cucumber, lemon juice. I'm not sure how I'd feel about it. And I feel like it would be a trick. If I were a kid and I saw this on the table, I would just immediately assume it was like a sweet cake. But this is a savory cake. Wow. Was not expecting that. That's I mean, it's beautiful, but very cool. Okay. So we have Cheddar and Herb scones, which is beautiful and classic. Cheese gougers? Oh my goodness. I know we have Gruyere cheese, but this is like a totally different thing. It's got Gruyere cheese, but it's, man, these look delicious. Let's see. I'm wondering if we have any more pictures. I'm not seeing any more pictures, but we have like rainbow sushi, which is a great addition for a tea party. And it's unique. Pigs in a pretzel. Sausage and cheese stuffed mushrooms. Again, another kind of classic. Here's some of the drinks, and I'm seeing a lot of beautiful drinks. So this is pretty easy. A frozen chai. But then we've got like a mint tisane. Oh, goodness. But this looks elegant, gorgeous. I would see this being, that would be good for like an older kid. I think a lot of the younger kids would be like, ew, green things. There's a strawberry coconut boba tea. This looks super cool, and I know the kids would love that. There's apple orange tea with blueberry ice cubes. And then here is a cool picture of something interesting. They have fruity ice cubes. So actually putting fruit in the ice cubes to make it look, you know, just this beautiful, like, globe. I keep thinking of those, I'm trying to remember what they're called, but the plants and the glass orbs. But this would be really elegant and just a small way of enticing or making it a little more elevated, your drinks. You can make a really simple orange juice, but having like small pieces of orange in an ice cube to make it a little more elegant, or berries, like strawberries. So cool. Sorry. I don't know why I got all excited about ice cubes. But yeah, this is a very cute little cookbook. This would be great for the kids, actually, I have to be honest, this would be great for even adults. There's a lot of really great recipes that I mean, the flavor profiles aren't just really kiddish, like, they're approachable for everybody, so you can have a whole tea party for all ages. This is just a really fun cookbook. Plus, it's an American Doll thing. If you're an American Doll collector and you like cooking, this would be a really fun thing to have in your arsenal. Or if you know somebody too, this would be really cute to have. If you guys are wanting more cookbooks though, if you want more tea party cookbooks, we actually have done quite a few blog posts and podcasts about them. So definitely check us out at cookbookdivas.com or our podcast at Cookbook Divas if you want more ideas. For other cookbooks and other inspiration, join us on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. We've got lots of stuff over there. If you guys like this channel, make sure to like and subscribe and comment down below. If there's a cookbook you want us to look through, let us know. We love to look through all of these amazing cookbooks, and you guys have great ideas. So thank you so much for your support. For more other things, yeah, check us out, more YouTube videos, all that stuff. Thank you guys for watching this video, and we will see you next time.